How to make money while sleeping. I'll show you how you can make money awake or asleep by selling gold futures options. What are the futures? Futures are a type of a commodity derivative contract that sellers and buyers agree to buy and sell a commodity asset at a certain price in a certain period. For example, if a buyer wants to buy October corn future contract, they can make a futures contract that will buy 200 bushels of corn from the agreed price of October expiration, whatever the market price it might be at that time. What are the options then? An option is a derivative financial product that is based on a stock or commodity futures, a contract that gives the trader the right to buy or sell a financial product at an agreed upon price for a specific period. Options are attached to or derived from numerous financial underlines, including stocks, futures, indices, and ETFs. Today, I will talk about only gold futures options. I'll only discuss about how to trade gold futures put options. Gold futures symbol is /GC. G like George, C like a cat. You can find this symbol on all the trading platforms such as TD, Ameritrade, Fidelity, or Webull, and Robinhood.